Unleashing the power of commas. Mastering parenthetical elements. Hello, English learners. Today, we are delving into an interesting area of English grammar: the use of commas with parenthetical elements. Specifically, we'll focus on using commas with interjections, transitional phrases, and contrasting elements. Remember, punctuation is a crucial tool in expressing your thoughts and emotions correctly and understanding the nuances of English sentences. Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotion or surprise. Examples include words like oh, wow, and hey. When you start a sentence with an interjection, you often need to follow it with a comma. Let's look at some examples. Oh, I didn't see you there. Wow, that's an amazing view. Hey, could you help me with this? In each case, the comma comes right after the interjection, helping to separate this emotional outburst from the rest of the sentence. Transitional phrases, also known as conjunctive adverbs or transition words, help connect one idea to another in your writing. Examples include therefore, however, and moreover. When you use a transitional phrase at the beginning of a sentence, it's usually followed by a comma. Let's see how this works. However, we decided to continue with our plan. Moreover, they haven't responded to our emails. Therefore, we need to revise our strategy. Here, commas are used after the transitional phrases to separate them from the rest of the sentence, thus creating a smoother reading experience. When a sentence contains a contrasting element, a phrase that shows a contrast or opposition to the first part of the sentence, it's typically introduced with words like but, yet, or rather. These contrasting elements should be set off with commas. Consider these examples. I love summer, but I hate the heat. She wanted to join us for dinner, yet she had to work late. It was a beautiful view, rather a breathtaking spectacle. The comma here indicates the shift in idea, making the contrast clear to the reader. And that's a wrap. We've explored using commas with interjections, transitional phrases, and contrasting elements. Remember, mastering these rules can greatly improve your written English, providing clarity and emotion to your sentences. Practice makes perfect, so try using these rules in your writing today. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. We hope you found this session helpful. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay tuned for more grammar fundamentals. Happy learning, and see you next time.